Earth's geomagnetic activity has passed a threshold. This is affecting the auroras, which will affect the electrical systems. The level of activity is changing hour by hour. And so far, it doesn't comply with the predictions. I will be keeping an eye on this system just to see what's going on next, because it is very strange at this time of the year. Let me explain why this is strange. Earth's geomagnetic activity are controlled by two factors. One factor is the sunspot cycle and the number of the sunspots. The number of the sunspots follow an 11-year pattern, which means the number of the sunspots every 11 years will go from maximum to minimum. We are now at one of these periods of the minimum numbers of the sunspots. As you can see in this picture, there is 0 numbers of the sunspots. Magnetic field of the Earth is the other factor affecting the geomagnetic activity. And this is caused by the outer core of the Earth, which is liquid iron. This liquid iron moves. This movement creates electrical currents. This current creates magnetic field. Because the Earth core is liquid, this magnetic field all the time is changing. Peaks and troughs form all the time at it, and magnetic field changes. These are affected by the cooling slabs which touch the outer core. We are trying to understand further what's going on. Because Earth magnetic field suddenly can shift poles. In north will become south. Strange. Watch this space and we will try to keep you updated.